Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to make shepherd's pie. I make this every so often to the delight of Alfred and some of my friends, and so now I'm going to share the recipe with all of you. So let's get started. Shepherd's pie is a savory pie that has no dough in it at all, so there's not a pie crust in it. It's a mixture of ground beef, vegetables, a nice sauce, and then it's topped with mashed potatoes. It's delicious, it originates in England, it is comfort food, and it is very, very awesome for dinner. So to get started, let's go over the ingredients we're going to need. For shepherd's pie, there are two main parts to the pie. They're the mashed potatoes, and then there is your meat mixture. So for the mashed potatoes, you need about 1.5 pounds of potatoes, butter, cream or milk. If it's cream, make it heavy cream. If it's milk, make it whole milk. You need the fat. You need for the meat mixture, you need ground beef, about 1.5 pounds, an onion, carrots, thyme, rosemary, ground pepper, and salt to taste, minced garlic, Worcester sauce, flour, chicken broth. I had beef broth open, so we're going to use beef broth today, and tomato paste. So those are our ingredients, and let's get to making everything else. Two other ingredients that you're going to need for your shepherd's pie are 1 cup of frozen peas and 1 cup of frozen corn. I forgot to mention those, but you're going to need them. The first step is to boil your potatoes for your mashed potatoes. So we put our potatoes in a pot filled with water. Make sure that your potatoes are only just covered with water. Don't fill the pot to the top because it'll overflow, and or it can make your potatoes soggy. So only just cover your potatoes. We're going to boil the potatoes for probably about 10 or so minutes, or until the potatoes are soft. That means that you can stick a fork through them easily without any real pressure. So we'll boil those. I do the old wise trick of sticking a wooden spoon over the pot, and I don't know why, but it definitely never overflows when that spoon's over the top. It's magic. Now we're going to make our meat mixture that goes into the pie. That's basically the main component of the pie. So first we're going to heat up about 1/8 of a cup of olive oil. Funny thing about these little shot glasses is they hold 1/4 of a cup exactly. So you can use these as measuring cups too. So 1/8 of a cup of olive oil, heat it up. I've already got my pot heating, so it was fairly quick. We're gonna add the onions in. Onions go into the pot. We're gonna let those cook for about 3 minutes until they're a bit softer, and then we'll move on to the next step.
Next, you're going to add your carrots to your onion mixture, stir it up, and let it sizzle for about 5 minutes.
The next step is to add in our garlic. It needs to be minced garlic. So we add it in to our carrot and onion mixture. Stir it up and let that cook for basically a minute. Maybe a little bit longer, but not too long because you don't want the garlic to scorch. Now that our carrots, onions, and garlic mixture is cooking, we're now going to add the ground beef. So I just plop it in, and then I use a wooden spoon to break up the meat. And we're going to let this cook until it's brown. Next, we're going to add our thyme, our rosemary, and our flour to the mixture. The flour will help thicken up the kind of sauciness of it, and of course the spices are for flavor. So let's add these in. And then we're just going to stir it up a bit. Our potatoes are now ready to be drained. So basically to drain them, just dump them in a colander in your sink. And then once you've drained them, you want to add the potatoes back into your pot, and then we'll make the mashed potatoes. So potatoes back in the pot. Boom. And then we're going to sit it over here and make the mashed potatoes. Next step, we're going to add the frozen peas and the frozen corn into our meat mixture. And then we're just going to stir it up and let it heat just until the peas and the corn are warmed up. Okay, now we're going to make our mashed potatoes that go on top of the thing. So we're going to add 4 tablespoons of butter. And this is just the mashed potato recipe that I make for the shepherd's pie. It's not my actual mashed potato recipe. So then we just start smashing it. I like to smash it with the butter first, just to kind of melt the butter and spread it around. Once you have your mashed potatoes smashed up, you're going to add your milk or your heavy cream, and you're going to smash it more. And it should start getting kind of smooth looking. And once that is done, we are going to add in pepper, and some salt. We'll smash it more, mix that. And your mashed potato topping is complete. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to add in our beef broth, our Worcestershire sauce, and our tomato paste. A lot of recipes don't call for Worcestershire sauce or tomato paste, but I put those in because I think it adds a little bit more richness to the food. So we'll stir this up and then let it sit for about 2 minutes, cooking this up, and then we'll add that. We'll start assembling our pies. So usually you would make a very large shepherd's pie. In this case, I'm making individual portions for the shepherd's pie because I'm giving this away as a birthday gift. So what we're gonna do is fill these tiny little disposable pie tins and make the pie here. But the concept is the same no matter what. So we're going to fill each pie tin halfway full with filling. And then we're going to top it with mashed potatoes, and that's it. That's the general gist of the whole situation. So let's get to it. Now we're going to use a spoon to flatten down the pie filling to make a nice little base on which we will place mashed potatoes. And the next step is to put mashed potatoes on the pies. And after that, we cook them.
Simply pipe the mashed potatoes on the top of your pie, either using a piping tool or a Ziploc bag with the corner snipped off. It doesn't have to be beautiful, the pie just needs to be topped with mashed potatoes.
Now that I have the pies assembled in their tins, they're going to go into the oven and cook for approximately 20 or 25 minutes. So they'll cook, they'll come out, and then these pies are actually going to get frozen.
And there you have it, a delicious shepherd's pie that your family will definitely enjoy.